Hi there, Alfredo here. How do we find documents in Business Central if we need to find for an external reference number, a customer reference, and that reference may appear on multiple documents, maybe for different customers? Well, there is a better way than searching through different pages and screens with the newly enhanced Find Entries feature, which is what I'm going to show you in this video. Let's see how it works in my sandbox. We are looking at a sales invoice list page where I have draft invoices not posted yet. And you can see for this example, I just used the same reference number, a common PO reference, for two invoices for different customers. This might actually be a lot common than what most people think, because purchase order reference might follow the same number series for different customers and maybe even for different contacts. I'll show you why it matters in a moment. So of course we can search for the PO reference here using PO and the number we're looking for. But again, what if I don't know if the reference is for an invoice that I haven't posted yet? Maybe it's for a bunch of orders, maybe it's for a shipment or a return. Now, going through all the different pages might not be the most effective way to search and find what you need. Therefore, we're going to use the newly enhanced Find Entries page. Now, those who know the system knows that Find Entries is primarily for documents. So if I put the external document number here and I click Find, the system will return everything tagged with this entry and including the two invoices. But you can see here I have also 83 sustainability ledger entries. Now here I might get a lot of noise. Item references, serial numbers, credit memos, and again, it might not be the most efficient way to search for what I need. Therefore, what I'm going to show you now is this new option to search for contacts. And by the way, you can also use for reference, for item reference. So perfect to search for serial numbers and lot numbers, which you can see the system also gives me the opportunity to drill down into existing records, something for another video. So if I go back to business contacts, now the name might be quite misleading. I'm not really searching for contacts here. I'm searching for the external document number, but I'm going to narrow my search and using these two fields, essentially narrowing the scope of the search. I'm going to put customer here, and then I'm going to select School of Fine Art. By the way, this works on contacts too. So you might actually find the reference of a buyer within an organization, not just the entire, the whole account. With the search narrowed down to my customer and the external document number here, I click Find, and now the system finds the one and only document for this customer that carries this external document number. And if I click here, I can open it, and from here I can even respond to the customer query by sending them the draft invoice that they asked for. Think about how quick the process can be if you are a customer service assistant, if you're in sales and the customer asks for that reference on the phone, and it's going to take you like 30 seconds to find what you need and send them an invoice. That's customer service. That's good customer service, right? So that's it. That's for today. Find Entries using search for business contacts allows you to find the external document number across all records for one specific customer to get you what you need faster. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Let me know what you want to learn next in the comments below.